Nongtrei rangba aga jilla Conrad ke Sangma halor ka chinge kran bagi Nongtrei ka Kyrwoh Autonomous District Council GHADC kimyo atulab la Southfly benai ula keno kala bagi cingthap kam Khlem Kyndon na kadai council kelas dang nadu ka por bagi Congress kaya lami ke executive committee ulam baka mat ikran bas aku tulam kadai ke basnusi bagi sarkar jilla kalai rap kat bala ban kersyani council daga papelat biang por ke bah nakimar po khendo daga papentep bagi sarkar kala pelat chispa ar folklore jaka GHADC kabadai ke bah pisa umedi rang ba ulong bakamdan syu ke pisa ke bapensa nakaliang ke sarkar ulang bah kate konsel kidan pal Hajar Ngut ki Nongtrei haka por shimti lam khmat ke NPP ya ke executive committee ke bla shemik senjam ban penbaitrenti yaki
so-called, I'm not saying destruction, I'm using their word, so don't say that I used it. I'm taking from your statement that they said that NPP is destroying the council. Is that what they said? I want to say it very, very clearly that the so-called destruction process started during their time. Council had over, Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council had over 2,000 employees when NPP took over. 2,000 employees. To give you a relative picture of what that means, the Gentile District Council had roughly about 1,800 employees, and Khasi Hills District Council had about 600 employees. Can I repeat again? Khasi Hills about 600 employees, Gentile Hills about 1,800 employees. I could be wrong by a few percentage, and Kyrwoh Hills over 2,000 employees. Clearly, Kyrwoh Hills District Council was way above the requirement that they had in terms of the appointments. Number two, the salaries that they pay is touching about 6 to 7 crores as of now. Khasi Hills District Council, with at that point I'm saying when this we had taken over, was paying a salary of about 4 crores at that point in time. And Gentile Hills also was about 5 crores at that point in time. Again, just to give a relative picture, that Kyrwoh Hills was much higher in terms of the number of employees, was paying much higher salaries when NPP took over. Number two, the appointments that were made during that period, from the time Congress was running, that time they were in Congress, the appointments were made without any service rules, without any sanction post. This I'm saying before NPP took over. So when we came in, we saw this entire system that was being run, where illegal appointments were being made, where the salaries of the employees was way beyond the revenue that they were getting. Even today, the revenue is about 1.5 to 2 crores per month, and salary alone is about 6 crores per month. Forget other expenditures of, electricity bill or administrative expenditures, POL or whatever expenditures you have. Just salary alone is about 6 crores. Revenue is about 1.5 to 2 crores depending on the month. So clear deficit about 5 crores. In spite of that, the then EC, which was run by the Congress at that point in time, they were appointing people left, right, and center to the point that they touched more than 2,000 employees, which is 4 times that of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, which is a far bigger council in terms of its overall activities, and so many other areas are there. So this kind of problems were there. So therefore, the destruction process which the opposition is talking about started during their time. I can be confident to say that about 75% plus, almost 80% was used to pay salaries, because I was very particular. I asked them, how many months salary are you clearing? And based on that, we released the funds to them. So therefore, it's they can say whatever they want to say, but everything is clear on paper. And as I said, because of this money that was given by us, they were able to clear close to about 25, 26, 28 months of salary. And this is, as I said, for this period where the EC has been there. And these backlogs that have been there are, again, during the previous government's time. Those backlogs are still pending. And, we're working on it. I don't shy from responsibilities. You all know that. And therefore, we will find a way to resolve this. It's a large problem. but we will see how we can resolve it, and we have already, as I said, started improving the situation there. We'll do more to improve it further.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi, the office, Johor Commissionariat of Food Safety, Shillong, Meghalaya.